I have a short code for you and it's so much quicker. Are you 50 and older and confused on how to make your Amazon Fire TV stick one that you actually want to use? Flicks HD. This one's on fire. Live. 370178. Are you looking for movies and TV shows all in your Amazon Fire TV stick that are not available on the Amazon App Store? I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV stick needs, tips and tricks, and how-tos. Follow along and I'll show you how I get these on my device. To start this off, we have to come to, we can hit to the home screen, and this puts it right in our shortcuts menu here. Let's open up Downloader, highlight it, open it up. Downloader does require access to photos, media, and file on our device, so allow. There's a quick start guide you can read through here and press OK. And here, Downloader acts just like a web browser. So we can type in the website we're going to go to, which is ledbytheunknown.com. So we type in https://ledbytheunknown.com/downloads. Or I have a short code for you, and it's so much quicker. While we're waiting for the app to download, please share this with select button, because I know there's a lot of people out. This brings up a keyboard so that we can type in this short code. 3. So before we open the application, 0, hit the home button on our remote. 1, go all the way to the settings icon. We can highlight, come down, and press go. There is a 5-second redirect. So while we're waiting for this 5 seconds, like I said earlier, please share this with a friend. I know there's people out there with Amazon Fire TV sticks who would love to learn how to get all this content on their device. Once this page loads up, we can use the 3-line button on our remote and then select add this page to our favorites. Now we no longer need to wait for the redirect. When we open up Downloader, we can just go to the favorites here and it just automatically bookmarks our site. So here we can hit save and we're good to go. This is already up on your screen. Get out your phone, scan this QR code, get yourself up to 80% off IP Vanish, 30-day money back guaranteed, total privacy and security on your online activity. Our remote works just like a mouse. So if we push up, the little red circle here is our cursor. We can push up, down, right, left, and the center button is our select button. So we can just head on over, hit the X. If you're interested in becoming a subscriber to our email list, just fill this part out and X out of those. So on this page, we have links for the applications. We have videos for you to watch. There's some content in here that gives you an idea of what's going on. We can head down. Apps, if we're looking for you may just have a on and off here. We have the best of the best here. You can click on the first one, highlight it. I have to blur this out for my privacy. So head down. Here we do have a video for you to check out. Hit the little play button in the middle. YouTube will show you this. Follow along. You want to check out what Flicks is all about. What? Okay, we have these little blue buttons for you to select on. Top one's the latest version. There is a backup just in case. So we select on the button. It automatically starts downloading the application onto our Fire Stick. Once the application's done downloading, it stages the app. Down on the bottom right, click Install. It installs the application on our device. And then once it's installed, just highlight and click Done, as we don't want to open the device. We don't want to open the app yet. We would like to delete the installation files. We no longer need it taking up space on our device. So delete. We hit back 1 on our remote. And here we can try the next one, HD. And the same thing. Head down, check out the video. And here we have the link and a backup. Quick download. Down on the bottom right, hit install. And once the installation's done, then we'll hit done. Delete the installation file, confirm the delete. We can back out one. You can try on stream or one of these other ones. Or if we're looking for live TV feeds, we're looking for the best apps for live TV. We got this one's on fire. Got another video. And we can hit the blue button to install the application on our device. Down at the bottom right, hit install. And then select done. Delete the installation file. Delete, we're good. Back out one. And we can try the next one. Live. Head on down. Check out these videos. Here we got Amazon or Android devices. Some of these apps will work with either or, but Fire Sticks don't rotate where phones do or other devices do. So we hit install and then hit done. Delete the installation file, confirm the delete. We back out, and here we got the sports apps, which you would love. First one's on fire. Another little video. And again, we got a couple blue buttons to click on and a backup. Downloads the file. Down on the bottom right, click install. And then hit done. Delete the installation file, confirm the delete. Now we just installed like 5 apps just like that. Super quick. Let's find out where they went. Hit the home button. Head all the way over to the 3 squares plus sign. Our apps and games section, and like I said earlier, the last apps that we downloaded end up at the bottom of our list. So if your list is really long, might be way down below. But we can be like, move to the front, move to the front, maybe HD, move to the front, and flex, move to the front. Oh, and we can always do stream, move to the front. We can arrange these however we see fit. And then back in the home screen, these are now front and center for us to enjoy. This is perfect. Like, what else would you need on your Amazon Fire TV stick? These 5 apps pretty much gives you everything. Happy streaming. Guys, I'm Lee. Share this with a friend, please. Happy streaming. Enjoy. Peace.